Hello there, food lovers. Today, we're talking about getting kids excited in the kitchen. Cooking with your little ones is more than just making food. It's about making memories. Imagine the smiles on your children's faces as they proudly present a dish they helped create. Picture the laughter as you mix and bake together, sharing stories and secrets along the way. Cooking together provides the perfect opportunity to connect, communicate, and strengthen family ties. And let's not forget the educational value. Cooking helps kids develop essential life skills like following instructions, measuring ingredients, and understanding basic math concepts. They learn about different foods, where they come from, and how to prepare them. So put on your aprons, gather your little sous chefs, and let's embark on a culinary journey filled with fun, laughter, and unforgettable moments. Now comes the fun part, choosing what to make. Start with simple, easy-to-handle recipes that are both fun and safe for little hands. Think colorful fruit salads bursting with vitamins, or no-bake cookies that are super easy to put together. Choose age-appropriate recipes, and let your little chefs participate actively. Let's get cooking. Here are a couple of easy-peasy recipes that are perfect for little hands. Wash and cut the fruits into bite-sized pieces. Let your child thread the fruit onto the skewers. Slices of bread, tomato sauce, grated cheese, and toppings. Spread sauce, sprinkle cheese, and add toppings. Grill until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Mix oats, peanut butter, honey, and chocolate chips. Roll into balls and refrigerate. Enjoy after an hour. Section 5. A recipe for togetherness. The lasting joy of cooking as a family. Cooking together as a family is more than just a way to put food on the table. It's an opportunity to connect, learn, and create lasting memories. As you embark on your culinary adventures, remember to be patient, encouraging, and most importantly, have fun. Don't worry about making a mess, or if the end result isn't perfect. What matters most is the time spent together, the skills learned, and the joy of creating something delicious as a family. So gather your ingredients, put on your aprons, and get cooking. You'll be amazed at the delicious dishes you can create together, and the precious memories you'll make along the way. Remember, the kitchen is the heart of the home, and cooking together is a recipe for a happy and connected family.